In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to alphabetize a list in Google Sheets. Let's start by opening Google Sheets and entering your items in a single column, one item per cell. Keeping everything in one column makes the sorting clean and predictable. As you type, try to be consistent with spelling and avoid extra spaces before or after words, since those can affect the order. If you're working from a pasted list, give it a quick scan to make sure each entry sits on its own row without blank lines in between. Once your list is ready, highlight the full column of items you want alphabetized. You can click and drag over just the cells that contain your list, or click the first item, hold Shift, and click the last item to select the entire block. If you added a label at the top, such as Items, keep that header out of your selection so it doesn't get mixed into the sort. The goal is to select exactly the entries you want to reorder. Now, look to the top menu and click Data. This is where all the sorting tools live. From the drop-down, choose Sort Range. This option tells Google Sheets to sort only the cells you've selected, not the entire sheet. A small dialog may appear confirming your range, which is exactly what we want. Next, choose Sort A, Z. This instantly arranges your list alphabetically from A to Z, with numbers appearing before letters when applicable. If your list includes different capitalization, Sheet sorts consistently, so Apple and Apple will sit together in order. If you notice something out of place, it's usually a sign of an extra space or a stray character, so a quick edit to that entry will fix it, and you can sort again. To finish organizing, add optional columns for notes or categories next to your sorted list. For example, you might create a notes column for reminders or a category column to group items by type. Type your information on the same rows as the corresponding items so everything stays aligned. If you later need to resort your list after adding these columns, make sure you select the entire block of data so the notes and categories move with the items. That's it. You've opened Google Sheets, typed your list in one column, selected it, used the Data menu to sort the range, chosen A to Z to alphabetize instantly, and added helpful columns to keep things organized. Save your sheet, and you're good to go.